Hey guys, it's Ducky here from TechAddicts. Today I'm reviewing a mouse and keyboard combo from Dragonwar. They come in at around the $60 mark and I was really glad to be rid of these. In the box you get the keyboard and the mouse. First up we have the mouse. It feels very cheap. The undersides of the mouse scrape on my mouse pad if I'm not holding it perfectly level. The left and the right click feel okay. The scroll wheel is a little bit scratchy, but it does click smoothly enough. The side buttons are very squishy and need to be pushed in a fair way before they'll actually click. The shape is pretty uncomfortable for me and the cable is braided and stiff. The biggest issue with this mouse is the sensor. If you're moving it too fast, it will actually stutter. This is called spin out. And this happens if you're moving it over about 1 meter a second, which is possible for when you're playing games and doing flick shots. As for lighting control, there is no control. Your only option is it cycling through the colors. When I installed the software for this, the driver actually stopped the mouse from working altogether. I had to uninstall the driver before the mouse would even work again. The software has options for remapping the mouse buttons, but the DPI settings are only settable on the mouse. Next up, we have the keyboard. It actually feels pretty light, like cheap light. Typing on it though is painful. The keys need to be slammed to actually press them. They're using a type of key called Senkike. I have no idea what this actually means. They don't explain it on their website, but it looks like a mechanical key, but I believe it is a mechanical membrane key, so like a fake mechanical key. The backspace key is smaller than on standard keyboards and the enter key is larger. If you're trying to press the / key, you'll end up pressing enter instead. It does technically have volume and media keys, however you have to hold the function key to use them, which kind of defeats the purpose of having quick keys for setting those options. There is no software included for this keyboard as it runs entirely without software. With the lighting on the keyboard, you have 3 options: red, blue, and pink. And you press the lighting key on the keyboard to set these. Both the mouse and the keyboard were disappointing. If you're after a cheap mouse and keyboard, then sure, you could probably get away with using them. But the sensor on the mouse does not track very well for fast movements, and the keyboard was actually hurting my hands after a few hours of use. I'm going to give this set 4 out of 10 ducks.